Propane conversion secrets. Everyone tells you that going off-grid means giving up luxuries or spending $20,000 on a battery bank just to dry jeans. They're wrong. This one appliance is usually the biggest solar killer in a house. Today, I'm going to show you how I ditched the electric heating element, saved over $1,000 on my solar build, and kept the wife happy with warm towels, all using a simple propane conversion. An electric dryer pulls about 5,000 watts. To run that on solar, you need massive inverters and huge copper wires, what I call the copper trap. But a propane dryer? It only needs about 300 watts to spin the drum. The heat comes from the gas. By switching, I shrunk my solar requirement by 90% for this one task. That's money back in your pocket. Most dryers can be converted with a simple $20 kit. You're looking for the LP conversion kit for your specific model. Step 1. Disconnect all power. Step 2. Access the burner assembly. Step 3. Swap the natural gas orifice for the propane one. It has a smaller hole because propane is higher pressure. Safety. Disclaimer. Always leak test your fittings with soapy water. If you aren't comfortable with gas lines, hire a pro for this specific part. Look at that. The dryer is running, the clothes are getting hot, and my battery bank is barely feeling it. This is how you live budget off-grid without living in the dark. If you want to see the specific parts list I used, check the description. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I did the same thing with my water heater. Don't forget to subscribe to help us keep the grid-free dream alive. I'll see you on the next one.